Here's how to cut a jellyfish haircut, otherwise known as disconnected layers. Start by creating quadrants, so separate the front and the back, and then take a diagonal section behind the hairline. We'll cut the guide by the lip, and then connect that cutting line all the way to the ends. This line should be slightly diagonal to keep some length to the back. It can be a challenge to create balance on both sides, so work back and forth to make sure the layers are even as you cut your sections. By combing sections forward and twisting your fingers horizontal, you'll gain better control of your section and it'll be easier to cut your guide. Once we've connected all the front sections to the guide, it should look something like this. To cut the back, we're going to separate the bottom and top sections. Then cut round layers in the top by pulling hair straight out of the head and point cutting. Unlike a traditional jellyfish cut, this will give layers that flip out and give the top layer a nice soft look to it. It also keeps it from feeling too blunt on top of the bottom hair. Now keep in mind that if you want to keep more fullness in the ends, you can make that bottom section thicker, but if you want to thin the ends out for the jellyfish look, keep it nice and small. Remember that this haircut is disconnected, so you will see a difference between the top and bottom layers. Now that the hair is dry, we're going in with slicing techniques to remove weight. Our focus is removing density in those blunt lines. We want them to all blend softly into each other so that we have that jellyfish shape, but it looks nice and texturized. Now because we created so many distinct layers, this looks really great air dried or blown dried. So naturally wavy hair looks amazing, and if you blow dry it, you get this jellyfish look. Add your favorite texture, enjoy. Have fun.